How to track Amazon order with tracking ID. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to track Amazon order with tracking ID, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for amazon.in. You will be led to the official webpage of Amazon. Here in the dashboard, tap on Returns and Orders. You'll be able to see all your current orders as well as your previous orders. You will also see an order tracking number there. In order to track your order, copy the number you see there and then open a new tab in the search bar. Search for parcelsapp.com. In the text box you see there, enter the tracking number you just copied and tap on the Track Package option. As you scroll down, you can see they have tracked my location. However, my order could not be tracked since it was an old order which has been delivered already. Nevertheless, you can enter an ongoing order tracking ID and this web page will track your order for you from all parts of the world. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.